Yeah, before today, I did not know these existed. This is pretty cool. In this package is an OBD port lock. We're going to go install it on the car and see how this thing works. Now they make these in the red or in the black, so it just depends on if you want to be a little flashy or a little more, you know, like undercover, right? So we're going to go install these on one of the cars. That looks like the key. What do we have here? And this is the lock itself. Oh, I see. Okay, so even if you misplace this, what really matters is this little key. So you can keep this key in this holder on your keychain. So the idea on these lockout kits is, you know, somebody could break your window, plug into your OBD2, program a key for your car real quick, and drive away with your car. So there's three parts to this setup. This part is actually what physically goes over the OBD. So this goes over like the clip on the back of the OBD. This would be the face that covers the OBD input or output, depending on how you see it. And then this goes over the top of it. The other way around. Right? So you put that over the top of it, and then you take these little screws and screw them in. It just locks everything together. So that's why you have to have your magic key here to screw these in and to remove them there, because once this is on, it is on. So let's try it out.